Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Brilliant 3D Studio. I'm Rick, and I wanted to show you something new. Many of you people have asked, hey, when you print a print for us, how does it come off the printer? And what do you have to do to make it a finished product? So I'm just going to show you the first step in removing a print from the printer and showing you how we remove all the supports. These supports are these long pieces of plastic that are printed to help with any kind of plastic that might hang over a certain angle. And if you don't have those supports, you'll have holes, you'll have stringing, it'll just be a really poor print. So you need to have these supports. So I'm going to show you now. This is our Spider-Man Rec Wrap helmet, and we've chosen some tree supports for this helmet. Sorry, it's bright neon, so it's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to do my best. And that's the helmet, and here are all the supports. And we automatically set it to print supports. Let me see if I can fix this. Is that any better? Yeah, that's better. To fix this, so you can print a quality print, and that's kind of where we're at. And these supports, if you do them right, they come off very easy. I'm going to show you how easy. Okay, these are the chin supports. They're actually almost loose already. Boom, done. And this is trash now, so it's part of the cost of doing a 3D print. Boom. This is absolutely amazing. This software is the new Cura, and these supports are made from that, and it has been a joy to work with it because in the past, supports have always been a pain in the neck. So now, we have to use pliers, and we still may have to grab a pair of pliers for some of these supports, but not like we used to. Before, we used to have to grab and cut. I mean, these are just coming off beautiful. And one of the last supports was inside. It's a big sucker. And they call them tree supports because they look like trees. And here we go. Now we have a helmet that is support free, printed beautifully. I mean, this is off the printer, no finishing. So once we finish this thing, it's gonna even look more beautiful. And so that's it. I don't know if this is gonna fit me because this helmet was built for a customer. So let's see. And it does. Pretty cool helmet. Watch our future videos. You can see our finishing, and we'll show you how we finish these. Thanks. Everybody have a great day, and check out our Etsy store at Brilliant 3D Studio. We'll be having items like this on there in raw condition. Now, any color, this is the color of the plastic. We can't guarantee what color it's going to be because they're raw, so it'll be what we're running at that time. So you would have to do sanding and painting and filling, but we try to do a good quality print, so it saves you some time. Thanks, everyone.